Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the day 14 of Advent of Cyber 2022. I'm sorry for not posting for the previous days. Due to some personal issues and problems, I wasn't able to complete and record the videos. So for this, as the challenge came through, I was free and I just wanted to share it with you. So today's challenge is about the web applications. So after completing this challenge, you will learn about the web applications. You will learn about the the Open Web Application Security Project, or OWASP Top 10, and also the IDOR. So I'm not gonna read the information that is provided here, the details. You should read it. You will learn about the web application database, what is access control, and what vulnerabilities are dedicated to this, and also web application vulnerabilities, and also you will learn about the IDOR and how to exploit this. So for this, I'm gonna jump through the questions and the fun part. Let's just start the machine first. So by the way, I'm not using the attack box because I am inside my own Kali Linux machine, and I can access it through there. That's much easier for me. So you can use either Kali Linux or the attack box. It's up to you. So let's jump down here. So what is the office number of ELF pivot MAC read? So for this, we're gonna exploit an IDOR vulnerability. So we have to start it on the attack box, or on any operating system that you are. Type the IP address that will be shown just in a few seconds, and we are provided with the username and password, and we have to exploit the IDOR vulnerability and find the flags and answer the questions. So while we are waiting for the IP address to be shown, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and hitting that notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. So thank you for your support. So now the machine is up. Let's just copy and paste the IP address from here and access it through our web browser. Paste it and we are good to go. So we are provided with this login page. We have the credentials here, as you can see, MaxKD and div test. So MaxKD and div test. Don't save. So now we have access to this. So you have to read the information about the IDOR, how to exploit it. So for me, as you can see, there is a sequence of numbers. If you change this number, you may access to something, to some other user's profile. So let's just check this to 102. As you can see, now it was ELF MaxKD, now it is ELF log MacBlue. So what is the first question here? First question is, I guess, what is the office number of ELF pivot MacRead, sorry. So we have to check the numbers until we see the user profile of the ELF pivot MacRead. So let's just change it. Let's change to 3. No. 4. No. 5. Yep. So ELF pivot MacRead. P is a penetration tester, and the office number is 134. So 134. Good. Not only profile pages but also stored images are vulnerable. Start with a URL of a valid profile image. What is the hidden flag? So let me check this. Open image in new tab. So as you can see, there are also sequence of numbers. So let me just start from 100. So yes, we have got the flag. The flag is THM, close the door. So So if you can see, rather than this, if you check this to change this to, for example, 101, you will have access to the Max Kitty's profile picture. So we just need it what we want and we are good to go. And the flag is THM close the door. So that's it. Let me type it here, THM, sorry, close the door. Nice. So do you like IDOR? It's an Advent of Cyber classic. If you want more, check out the dedicated room or the curator challenge. So there is a dedicated room for the IDOR vulnerability and also a challenge. You should definitely check it out. So that's it. So we are done with today's video and for today's challenge. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you do so, please like the video, hit the subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. See you in the next video.